Hi everyone, my name is Ray Latanza. I'm a senior implementation consultant here at Fluke. Wanted to take the time today to talk to you a little bit about our eMaint Project Kickstart program. The eMaint Project Kickstart is a 4-day intensive service which dedicates an eMaint representative or consultant to your implementation for a full 32 hours. That intensive, sort of like a blitz in the beginning of your implementation, really helps you to hit the ground running. Some of the key areas that the eMaint Project Kickstart focuses on are analysis of your current asset hierarchy, analysis of your current PM program, analysis of your inventory module and how you're currently doing inventory, and lastly, analysis of your current work processes, both from the work request side and the work order side. The eMaint Project Kickstart will help you to address all these different areas of your maintenance program and then match the CMMS system to best fit your current processes or even improve those current processes. Another key focus of the eMaint Project Kickstart is the analysis of your current KPIs and metrics. If you don't have any KPIs or metrics defined, that's absolutely fine. During the Kickstart, we can give you a look at typical reports or KPIs and metrics that most other organizations would use to track their maintenance program and ultimately improve the maintenance program. Because if you're not tracking how well your maintenance teams are performing, it's really hard to get better or improve. The report writer in eMaint is really kind of versatile, can create some great reports in it. And the last day of the eMaint Project Kickstart really focuses on this analysis of the data that you're putting into the system. Ultimately, at the end of the day, if you're not going to create these reports and metrics and KPIs, ultimately the database is just a filing cabinet. So I always recommend to my customers that once they're off and running with the system, the biggest selling point of a CMMS system really is the metrics and the reporting that's able to come out of the system so that you can improve your maintenance teams. If you have any additional questions about the eMaint Project Kickstart, please feel free to reach out to your eMaint sales representative or any eMaint representative to get those questions answered. Having worked on many eMaint Project Kickstarts in the past, I can definitely attest to the value of this program, and I would absolutely recommend it to any eMaint customer.